Let's look at question 5, part A for 2024 Higher Level Leaving Cert Maths Deferred Paper 1. So we have a function f of x. The derivative of the function is 6x plus 4. Point minus 1,8 is on the graph of y is equal to f of x. Use this information to find f of x. Okay, so this is going to be an integration question. So what we've got to do is to work backwards from 6x plus 4. We've got to integrate 6x plus 4 with respect to x. This is an indefinite integral, so we should end up with a c as well. Don't forget the c, the constant of integration. So 6x when we integrate it will be 6x squared over 2. You increase, this is power 1, x power of 1, increase that by 1 and divide by the power. 4 is actually, it has an x to the power of 0 attached to it if you like, which is just 1, so that's why we don't see it here. But increase the power by 1, so that would be 4x to the power of 1, and divide by 1 as well. So that's really it, but we've just got to ensure we add the constant of integration. So this is our original function. This is f of x, but we've got to work out here what c is. So our f of x is 6x squared over 2, that's just 3x squared, plus 4x plus c. Now we know that the point minus 1,8 is on this function here. So let's use that to find what c is. So f of x is y, our y is 8, and we can stick in the x value, which is minus 1, square that, so it's 4 times minus 1 plus c. Okay, so let's just finish that off then. I'll give it a, let's see, 8 is equal to, well, minus 1 squared is 1, so that's 3. We've got minus 1 times plus 4, that's minus 4 plus c. So let's bring the 3 and the minus 4 over to the other side. That'll finally give us a c of 9. So we've got to work out, I think the question said, work out f of x, find what f of x is. So our f of x then, our final answer here is this up here, 3x squared plus 4x, and we've just worked out c as 9. And that's it for part A. Okay, let's look at part B. So y is equal to x log x cubed for x is real and x is positive. Find the value of y when x is equal to 2. Give your answer correct to 4 decimal places. Okay, so let's see. We start with y is equal to x log x cubed. So what we've got to do is find the value of y when x is equal to 2. So all we've got to do is put 2 in there, put 2 in there and cube it. And that's really it. So you just really need to stick that into your calculator. It's really 2 log 8 into your calculator, and what you'll get to 4 decimal places is 4.1589. And that's it for part B. Okay, let's look at part B2. So find dy dx, give your answer in the form a plus b log x, where a and b are natural numbers. So you've got to differentiate y with respect to x. So initially y was x log x cubed. So this is a function of x multiplied by a function of x. So we've got to use the product rule here. So dy dx is equal to, we can call, let's say, this one here u, and this part here v. So it's going to be u dv dx plus v du dx. So u is x. We've got to multiply that by what we get when we differentiate this here. Well, if you differentiate log of x, you get 1 over x. So if you differentiate log x cubed, you're going to get 1 over x cubed. Now, because this is not an x, it's an x cubed, we've got to use the chain rule. So you've got to differentiate x cubed as well. So you've got to multiply that by 3x squared. Bring the 3 down, write down the x, reduce the power by 1. So that's dv dx plus v then, which is log x cubed times du dx. So if you differentiate x, you'll just get 1. Let's see, what you've got here is you've got an x over 1 times 1 times 3x squared. Well, if you multiply x by x squared, you'll get x cubed, and that x cubed is on the top, so it'll divide by the x cubed on the bottom. So all those x's there will just cancel, if you like, and you'll just end up with 3 here. And on the right hand side of this plus sign here, we have log of x cubed times 1, which is just log x cubed. Now it said give your answer in the form a plus b log x. Now we've got we do have a b here. The b is 1 if you like, but it's not log x, it's log x cubed. So you know from your laws of logs that you can take that power and bring it down here. So let's do that. So we've got 3 plus 3 log x. Now that's in the form a plus b log x. And that's really it for this part of the question and this question itself.